Hello, in this video we will learn how to reverse a list in Python. So for this we'll first create a list. We'll first create a simple list of numbers. Let's take from 1 to 5. Yeah. And so first we'll reverse using a list built-in method reverse. Okay. Let's print the initial list, original list using the fs string, and yes, we'll use the reverse method of list. And yes, it will work, and we'll print this original list. It's in place method of list, and run it, and yeah, it's reversed. Okay, now we'll try another method. So let's try with So let's try using the slicing. Now we will use slicing to reverse a list. Okay, we have used slicing, and print again to see if this is working. Yeah, and see, the list is reversed. Okay, and there is also one built-in function called reverse. So we'll check with the reversed function. Create a list L2 reversed. Yes, and this will create an it will return basically the iterable object. So we'll convert this into list and print. So see, this is iterable object, and yes, now it should work. Reversed. Okay, so this we have tried 3 methods, and yeah, of course we can go with the for loop, so we'll also try with one for loop. So first we'll create an empty list or blank list. Now we'll loop through the original list item and insert all the values from the original list at index 0 of this list L2 X. So we'll check this also. It's reversed. Okay, we've tried 4 methods. Now there's one more way which we should not follow, but we'll see that also, and it is recursion. Okay, so we'll create a recursive function rev list, call it rev list, take the original list, and it should return the input list last item in a list, and we'll extend this list with the return of this recursive function only. So we'll just skip the last item of this input list, and now we'll put one exit condition for this recursive function, so that we can check with the length of the list is 0, then return blank list. Now we'll call this function in the print and check. uh, the list is reversed using the recursion also. So these are for 5 ways using which we can reverse a list. Yes. So yeah, so which one you should follow? You should always for reversing a list, first try with the reverse method. It's a built-in method, in place method. It should be like for general scenario we should be using this. Otherwise slicing is a good option, and reverse is very general. It can be used for other methods also. Yeah. And if there is some complexity, some more condition, then we can go for the looping, which is kind of a manually reversing a list. And recursion should be avoided until unless it's based on the condition you must have used, because this makes the code more complex, and debugging also becomes tough in this case.